So in what I was talking about the accessor specifier. So in C++ or in object oriented programming, whatever the data type you declare, so whether you on the basis of its security protection and its visibility, you can declare the scope of the variable. Means whether it will be in the public section or it will be the private section or the protected section. Protected section is used when you have to keep any data secure from inaccessible access or unauthorized access. Private means only you are declaring the interference or the interface, and public when we declare the public, which is modified by the system user and which will be visible to all the users. Right. So more thing is in procedural overloading is not possible, or in object oriented we can overload the data and the operators and functions as well, function overloading concept. So the examples of procedural programming are C, Fortran, VB, and in object oriented programming we C++, also the VB.NET comes under the object oriented programming, Java and C hash.NET. So this is whole about it. So next we come to the principles or features of the object oriented programming. So first we come the encapsulation, then the data abstraction, polymorphism, data dynamic binding, and message passing. We'll discuss these things in more details in our presentation. For now we can only understand that these are the features: encapsulation, data abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, dynamic binding, and message passing. That's all for we'll discuss in our next presentation.